What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and today I'm showing you how you can make money with Google Maps, and you don't need any experience with the way that I'm going to teach you how to do this. By the way, guys, if you need help picking out a niche for this strategy, I'm going to be having my Chat GPT prompts that I'm going to make available for you for free. If you need access to them, all you have to do is just leave a comment on this video and let me know that you would like access to them, and just say something. I'll reply back to you and I'll give you access to them. Here's the deal. Thousands of Google Maps listings are vanishing silently. Right now, the phones stop ringing, the leads dry up, and businesses crash suddenly overnight. But here's the terrifying part. Most business owners, they don't actually even realize that this is happening until it's too late. I want to tell you about a buddy of mine who owned an HVAC company, and for 3 years, his phone rang constantly. Then one Tuesday morning, radio silence. No change in ad spend, no new competitors, just complete radio silence. And when I checked his Google Maps listing, it was technically there. The name was there, the address is there, the phone number, all present, but it was not ranking. It was buried on page 3, invisible to potential customers, and just, a digital haunting in the depths of the Google algorithm. Now, I want to show you what an invisible listing looks like, because being able to spot these invisible listings is a huge opportunity gap for you to make money. So let's hop over here to Google, and the way you spot these invisible listings is to just search for a niche. And by the way, if you need help picking out a niche, again, leave a comment. I'll give you access to my free ChatGPT prompts. But here's what you do. You're going to search a niche in a location, and scroll down to the maps listings and click more businesses. That's going to pop open a new window. And one of the things that you're looking for, there's a multitude of things, but this is one of the dead giveaways. The first thing that you will see is, you see these are categories, right? Kitchen remodeler, handyman, general contractor. So you see this one has general contractor, right? One of the number one inklings that a business owner has an invisible listing is that if you look at their primary category, which is general contractor here, and you scroll up and you look at the top 3, they're not going to match. So the top 3 have bathroom remodeler, bathroom remodeler, bathroom remodeler. You notice a trend in the top 3. They all have the same primary category. Yet one of these invisible listings does not have that category. Now, I have a full audit checklist available that looks like this inside of my course, 5minute-mapfix.com. It's currently on early bird special right now for just $15. So if you'd like access to that, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. But what an invisible listing looks like is, it looks normal. It has the business name listed, has the address, has a phone number, some customer reviews, basic hours posted. But here's what's actually going on, okay? And this is the gap where you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars if you approach this the right way. They're actually missing service area keywords. They usually have the wrong primary category. They usually have no recent photos or posts. They usually have an incomplete business description. And these missing elements are signals that Google uses to decide who shows up when customers search. And without them, it's honestly like fighting an uphill battle that you don't even know you're in. And if you're not in the top 3, point blank, you are invisible. Let me explain. 46% of searches, right, end right now in a click to the map pack. So if you're not there, you are missing out, point blank. 88% of people don't scroll past page 1. Most searchers never look beyond the first result. So when this invisibility glitch hits your listing, it literally means no new customers are finding your listing, your customer's listing. If you're working with a client, that means no phone calls, no leads. Most business owners, they don't even realize that they've been hit until it's too late in the revenue tanks, and they can't figure out why. And this problem is your golden opportunity. And here's where smart entrepreneurs are making serious money. If you can step in and you can identify these visibility issues in seconds and fix them in under 5 minutes, you can get paid using AI to charge more than $625 per fix. In fact, I'm going to show you how I've turned this into making thousands and thousands of dollars. And you may be asking yourself, why do business owners pay this much? And that's because fixing their visibility issues brings back phone calls, brings back customers, and brings back revenue immediately. They can feel the difference of this fix within hours. And when a business owner's phone starts ringing, Again, after weeks of silence, $625 feels like pocket change compared to the revenue that they're about to reclaim. And that's exactly what the 5-minute map fix is all about. It's about identifying these issues and providing you with the templates, the tools, and the training to fix them using AI within 5 minutes. Now, like I said, there is no cold calling required with this strategy. There's no pitching, and there's no convincing going on here, which is why it's so great. In fact, forget everything you know about sales. This isn't about convincing anyone to buy anything. You're not making cold calls or sending desperate pitch emails. It's 3 steps. Step 1, you find the problem. You use a simple audit checklist to spot invisible listings in the area you're targeting. Could be your area, could be an area near you. Step 2, you show what's broken. You use the prompts inside to present the business owner with a clear evidence of their visibility problem. And then step 3, they ask you how to fix it, right? They literally say, can you fix this, without you having to sell anything? And when you show a business owner that their Google Maps listing is broken and costing them customers, they don't ask if you can fix it. They ask how much it costs to fix it. And that is the key differentiator right there. Now, inside the 5-minute map fix system is the exact 3-step method that's generated over $20,000 in revenue for myself in the last 30 days. And I'm going to show you in a second how that all breaks down. It works whether you're a complete beginner. Like I said, you don't need any experience to jump in on this. Or if you're a seasoned marketing professional, it will help you add extra revenue. So it boils down to 3 steps that I teach inside. Step 1 is we audit the listing. You're going to use the simple checklist to identify visibility issues in 2 minutes flat with no tech know-how required. Just follow the checklist. Then step 2, you're going to use the AI prompt that I give you to create a personalized outreach message and report based on exactly what you found. It's customized to them. You literally hit copy, paste, and send. And then step 3, you're going to fix it in under 5 minutes. Just follow the simple tutorials inside. It's about 6 to 7 videos, and you can resolve the issue using completely free tools, and you don't even need SEO experience. The entire process from audit to payment typically takes less than 5 minutes of total work, and that includes the fix with that. Now, here's where it gets even better, and this is what I alluded to. Some clients don't just pay once and walk away. Once you fix their maps visibility and their phone starts ringing again, they want to lock you in to prevent it from happening again. So they typically will then sign up to monthly retainers. Here's how that breaks down. So we offer a $500 a month maintenance package. And what that means is that we help them do posts, we help them respond to reviews, we help them add optimized photos. That's our $500 a month. Now we offer other clients a $1,200 a month full local SEO management package. And this package includes going after extra keywords, monitoring where they're ranking, and going after more. So like basically if they're already in one area, we help them expand that. So that's $1,200 a month for that one. And then some of our other clients, when we start with them, sometimes they have no website or they just have one that's not good at all. So we charge $3,000 to $5,000 to provide a full website redesign package. And the best part is I'm not a website designer. I use AI to do the entire thing. So that is basically the breakdown of revenue and the entire strategy. And this is everything that you get inside a 5-minute map fix if you decide to jump in. And by the way, guys, it is on early bird right now for under $30. And I can't promise how long it's going to be that price. In fact, by the time you're watching this video, it may be a lot higher than that. But I can promise you that no matter what price it's at, it will be worth it. And the value inside is so valuable that you will be in profit when you land your first client. But it comes with complete video training, step-by-step tutorials to show you exactly how to find, pitch, and fix Google Maps visibility issues. It comes with the quick audit template so that you can identify profitable opportunities in under 2 minutes. It comes with the AI pitch prompt. That's a personalized outreach message and report. The email templates, the niche guides, and even case studies. Now, if you're here on this video, I hope that you got a lot out of it today. And if you have any questions at all, make sure you drop a comment below and make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be putting out more content like this very, very soon to help you guys out. But I look forward to those of you guys that are joining us inside a 5-minute map fix. It's everything you need to start earning $625 or more per fix, and literally has a money back guarantee. So you start earning or you get your money back. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys tuning in today. We'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.